Many people always wanted to launch an online business, but searching for a reliable program is not easy, so people can get started. If you are one of them, you are at the right place here. And if you intend to start your online business, the John Thornhill Ambassadors Program is ideal for you. You may be wondering if the John Thornhill Ambassador Program is any good, if it does work, and if the John Thornhill Ambassadors Program is worth buying. So I decided to record this video to solve some doubts that many people have related to the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. I will do a full and updated review about this digital product focusing on people who want to start an online business. I recommend that you watch this video until the end because the John Thornhill Ambassadors Program also works for people who don't understand anything about online business and want to start from scratch. Before starting, I would just like to give you an important warning for those of you who are interested in purchasing the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. Be very careful with some non-authorized sites who are replicating the sale of this program and offering a non-original product. Stay alert, and to help you, I put in the description of this video the link to the official website for you to purchase the original John Thornhill Ambassador Program, with warranty and all the bonuses included. So you must be wondering, what is the John Thornhill Ambassador Program and if it will really work for you? So the John Thornhill Ambassador Program consists of webinars that allow people to learn how to maximize the profits for the online business using the ClickBank super funnel. The webinar is suitable for beginners as it is oriented on the fundamental aspects of the online business, and John Thornhill is the host of the John Thornhill Ambassador Show. How does the John Thornhill Ambassador Program works? Well, the John Thornhill product operates through an affiliate model. Many of the main affiliate marketers use a variety of tactics and strategies to increase sales in their online business. Through this product, we will learn some of those secrets. However, for this product to be effective for you, you should use all the recommended strategies. You will receive a template easy to follow affiliates that you just need to duplicate, so using this product won't be difficult. The John Thornhill Ambassador Program will show you how to earn money 24 hours per day. It will demonstrate the effectiveness of online trading. You can use this strategy even if you never run an online business. You will discover how to create automatic revenue streams that will bring in sales on a daily basis. However, you will need a lot of traffic to generate money. Therefore, the John Thornhill Ambassador Program will help you to get a significant volume of traffic quickly, and you will learn 5 traffic-related strategies that everyone can use. The best aspect is that you only have to work between 2 and 4 hours per week, and you will discover how to get more results even after working out for a few hours. In my opinion, the John Thornhill Ambassador Program works and has transformed the lives of thousands of people. And you can also have your life transformed by the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. I recommend that you apply today for the John Thornhill Ambassador Program, and in the link that I put in the description of this video, you can also watch the webinar free of charge and take advantage of all the special conditions to acquire the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. Make it as soon as possible and guarantee your spots because the spots are limited. So I hope I helped you with this video. Goodbye.